Good morning friends, and welcome back to Annie's Homestyle. I hope you're all doing well. Today is going to be another productive day, but before we get into all the cleaning and organizing, I wanted to start my morning with a simple homemade breakfast. I am making French toast, eggs and some fresh oranges on the side, plus coffee, and I like adding lemon to mine to make it more tasty. Nothing too fancy, just a meal to give me the energy I need for everything I have planned today. One thing I have learned is that starting the day with a proper meal makes such a big difference. It gives me the motivation to tackle my to-do list without feeling rushed. Sitting down for a few minutes as I enjoy breakfast is so important to me, and I try to appreciate these quiet moments more. I hope you have something warm to drink or a little snack as you watch today's video. Get comfortable, relax, and if you have some cleaning to do, I hope this gives you all the motivation you need to get started.
When pressure holds too tight, only I can make up my mind and override the fight. I've been patient, waiting for an answer, contemplating.
Now that breakfast is done, it's time to head into the kitchen. As you can see, it definitely needs some attention. There are dishes waiting in the sink, the countertops need a refresh, and it's one of those kitchens that tells a story of a busy home. Before I start washing the dishes, I wanted to refill my sugar jar because it has completely run out, and since I had already washed and dried it, it was the perfect time to fill it again. I always love little moments like this because they make the kitchen feel organized and ready for another week. With that done, it's finally time to tackle the dishes. I like to start here because once the sink is empty, everything else feels manageable. It's amazing how washing just one dish can build up the momentum to keep going. If your kitchen has been waiting for a reset too, let this be your sign to join me. We don't have to do everything perfectly, we just have to start. And before we know it, all the spaces begin to feel fresh again. As I continue working on these dirty dishes, I just want to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you so much for watching my videos and for leaving such kind comments and for supporting my channel. Every single view, like and subscription means more to me than you know. Seeing this little community continue to grow has been such a blessing, and I'm truly grateful that you've chosen to spend part of your day here with me.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
I also want you to know that I read all your comments and I really enjoy hearing from you. If you ever have a question about something you see in my videos, please leave it in the comments and I always do my best to answer and help however I can. My hope is that this channel continues to be a cozy space where we can motivate and encourage each other, one clean home at a time. Thank you for being here. And if you are new, I'd like to take this moment to invite you to subscribe and to become part of our little family. There's so much more to come, and I'm so excited to share this journey with you.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Here comes trouble, putting on a show. Like a domino, I fall. Another bottle, don't know what to say. Send me on my way to you. I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. I'll show you another way. And you say it's a one-night thing, but I want something more than that. So don't go, leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. So don't go, leave me lonely. I'll show you another way.
And just like that, the dishes are finally done. I don't know if anyone else feels this way, but my absolute favorite part is washing the sink at the very end. It's my little sign that I've made it to the finish line. I always tell myself that no matter how overwhelming the dishes look at the beginning, they come to an end. Sometimes all we need is to start, and before we know it, the job is done. Now that the sink is sparkling clean, we can finally move to the next one.
But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. No, no. You're the better one, still kingdom come. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Calling me royalty. Say I'm dangerous 'cause I broke all the cages. No, I didn't take it. No, no. There are people that I guess don't ever learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. So never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won, still kingdom come. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me.
Now it's time for the part I've been putting off for the longest time, the top of my fridge. To be completely honest, since we moved into this house, I haven't cleaned up here even once. As you can imagine, there's a thick layer of dust, grease and grime that's built up over the period of time.
Calling me royalty.
The first thing I need to do is remove everything that I store on top. If you've been here for a while, you probably know that I am a baker. So this is where I keep some of my cake boards and boxes. They've been definitely collecting dust, so it's time to give this whole area attention it needs. Once everything is off, I go in with my degreaser to break down all the stubborn grease and dirt, and with each scrub, all the buildup disappears. It is moments like this that remind me that the tasks we avoid the longest always end up being the most rewarding once they are done.
Head down the highway side, cold you, I'm heavy breathing. Feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm not usually the type to rush into the night. This time I can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, my knees on the floor. I'm begging for more. It's you I adore. You took me to see Versailles in the middle of July. I'll fall into the deep end, giving into my feelings. Afraid to go on this ride. I'm scared to crash inside. This time I might be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, my knees on the floor. I'm begging for more. It's you I adore. More than lovers.
To finish off, I'm using a stainless steel cleaner to bring back the shine.
Like lightning and thunder. Can't have one without the other. It was raining in the skies. We can't be torn apart. We are linked together, pushing fire forever. We are linked together, together.
Thank you so much for spending part of your time with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment or a simple heart emoji so I know you watched the video until the end. And until next time, take care and I will see you in my next one. Bye.